need something bigger. Need one of the big boys.
So we'll have more sugar, more reaction.
Mentos.
Really?
I don't know why, but it's just clearer.
Oh my god. Be safe, hun.
Just really bought the, I don't even know what it's called, the Coke and Mentos. I've never done this before, but I think it'll be pretty fun. Then camera needs to focus. Let's have some fun. We're doing this. Actually, I'll just tell you guys when we get back. So, here we go. Okay, we're going to go into a secure location. We will be doing this behind the store, and then we will be cleaning up our mess because, you know, we don't want to leave. Hold up, let me turn the camera on. We don't want to leave a mess because that's not nice. So we will be cleaning up, and I will be putting it in the video just to prove to you guys that we are cleaning up. So let's go. Let's do a little. Tell me when you're going.
Just open it.
All right, we gotta open it. Let all the pressure release. All right, there we go.
All right, that's good.
I am so.
Okay. I'm videoing. Okay, you have to shake it, shake it.
I can't get the cap on.
Dang, why is my camera not focusing? Now shake it and throw it up, throw it up, throw it up. So, it went above. You better put the cap on right this time. Come on, focus. Okay, now throw it up.
Dude, I was just shaking and the thing popped. Dang, it skimmed my face.
You doing it again?
We have so much left over. Oh, it smelled like crack cocaine. Oh, fuck.
Okay, now throw it up, throw it up. Throw it up.
Oh, it's not funny. I didn't think it'd explode like that.
Did talk with Vons. They said that we're okay to do this. So they said as long as we clean up. So thank you guys for watching today's video, and I hope you guys liked it. See you guys in the next one. Adios.